Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we're glad for you to join our community and I encourage you to subscribe for more upcoming recipe videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe on the roasted stone crab. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, wash the crabs thoroughly by using a washing brush. This is to wash away the dirt and pebbles stuck on the crabs. In a wok, boil up the water and add in the salt. After that, add in the live crab and close the lid to let it steam for a few minutes. Let it steam until the water dries out. Snip the rope using a pair of scissors. When the water has dried out, cover it and let it roast for a few minutes until the crab exudes a fragrant aroma. When the crab has fragrant up, dish it out on a big plate. Slowly crack open the shells using a crab clipper and serve the crab meat by dipping it with seafood chili sauce. Enjoy this with your loved ones. Yum! Thank you for watching. I hope that you try out this recipe and do subscribe for more upcoming recipe videos. Take care and have a nice day.